Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So with Ethereum, we dive into the 1 hour chart. Really only a quick update, guys, because it is really boring day. Not too much is happening. Still wanted to do another Ethereum update just to make you aware that what we're currently producing here, it cannot be a triangle anymore, at least not an Elliott Wave triangle, most likely not. Again, the view remains that we've got this upside, short-term upside potential, as long as we're holding the 1255 level. And I won't go through the entire count because it's going to be a quick express update. But if we break below 1255, then we most likely fall back into a lower support area. As long as we're holding 1185, then we can still go higher and rally, but below 1185 it's getting tough. We're going to fall back to 1100, and if we lose that level, we fall back to $1,000. These are the key levels, and below $1,000, that is when the chart context flips to bearish. The overall context of the chart flips to bearish, and we are most likely going to break the June low as well, and we should see $650. However, as long as we're holding the 1255 level, that chart is most likely going to play out, and we have here a 1-2 setup. We are basically now in a third wave. There will be a fourth wave and a fifth wave. And in this third wave here, we have a chance to put one more leg to the upside in. That is my primary expectation, especially as we are currently putting in a corrective sideways movement. Consolidation on quite a high level. So that is not an impulsive move to the downside, which is currently unfolding. It looks corrective. Therefore, my current interpretation of this is that we should get one more leg to the upside. That would be ideal, or ideally a wave 5. And it should ideally reach the $1,400 level, at least if I measure the target for the yellow wave 3, because it would take me to around $1,400, the 1.618 extension. There's another way of how I can calculate the target, and I take here the smaller degree, wave 1, and I go to the last low here, and that would take me to around 1379. So in that region, 1379 to 1407, maybe, and that's the very first target, but that would be quite low for a yellow wave 3. It would be the 1-to-1 ratio, 1335, but only reaching 1335, it would be a bit too weak for this yellow wave 3. Therefore, I'm looking at higher. Important though is, again, I can't repeat it often enough, to hold this support area. This currently looks to me like a wave 4. A wave 4 because a wave 4 is boring, right? And because the wave count fits quite well this wave 4. So a wave 4, most likely it would be an ABC pattern. Let me show you. I had in my previous video a triangle here, but it can't really be a triangle anymore because we came down a little bit too low here. Now, I wouldn't take that too seriously, but obviously there are rules and we can't just break them. Maybe on some exchanges that low was not lower than this one, and we could still look at it in terms of an Elliott Wave triangle. This would be the triangle pattern, and we would break out to the upside from here. But in the end, it doesn't really make a great difference if it's an ABC or ABCDE triangle. If it's an ABC, then we're looking here at some point at completion here very shortly. Maybe down to 1255 really, but that should be it. It shouldn't really drop below it. If it does, it's most likely not a wave 4 anymore, and we need to fall back into another wave pattern. We can calculate a target for the C wave as well, in that we take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, and the ideal target would actually be 1259.50. That would be the ideal target, the 1-to-1 ratio. So maybe one more leg down, and that would actually fit it quite well. Maybe one more leg down, because if I zoom in, you can see that if I label it indeed as an A, B, C structure, then we are looking currently at the C wave, and the C wave is a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.